Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a new full face of Temu makeup. We're going to be using the Hood Emoji Empowered palette. We have the Clever Cat Fit Me powder, Fit Me or Fix Plus setting spray. We have a new foundation. We have a cream blush. We have the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer dupe. It's just like a lot of new products. So if you want to see how all of these products worked and the journey that took getting this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so first off, I'm going to go ahead and take this product. So this is from PT4. This is their Lip Oil VC and Yeast Oil. And I actually haven't tried this at all. It's so pretty. I can't wait to try it out on Insta Reels and Shorts and stuff. So there's a look at the doe foot applicator. It smells really nice. Oh, I love this type of applicator. It just like feels good on the lips. Next, you guys know what product I'm gonna go in with. I use this all the time. This is the Classy Ultra Fine Triangle Eyebrow Pencil in the shade of 3. I think eventually I am gonna have to repurchase because I think I'm almost out of this. It's just so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the brows with this product. Alright, so next we're going to take the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Concealer, and this one here is in the shade Medium N. I want to see what this can do, what kind of coverage it's going to give me. Go ahead and clean up the brows with this product as well as set the lid. It's definitely not full coverage. It's like a light to medium maybe. Let's see if it gives me any type of coverage on the lid. Yeah, very much light to medium. You can still see all my discoloration. Very lightweight, which is interesting. All right, so I was gonna start off with eyes, but now that I tried out the concealer, honestly I don't have high hopes for it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my primers. You literally talk about these all the time. We have the Major Digit Caviar Primer, and then also the O.TWO.O Sniper, what is this called, Zero Pores Face Primer. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that first. This one here is really nice. The Caviar one, it's just very hydrating. It's just really good. Feels nice and cooling on the skin as well. Next, taking the Zero Pores Primer, I'm gonna throw it in the inner portions of the face. I'm kind of sad about that concealer. I thought it was gonna be like more on the full coverage spectrum, but I guess not. And I'm a little sad about it, girl. But we'll see how it looks on the under eyes. For foundation, we have this product. So this is a dupe for, is it Giorgio Armani foundation, or I don't know, some high-end foundation. But this one here is from JEVT Foundation, and it's in the shade Natural. So this is called the Master Styling Makeup Foundation Solution from JEVT. I don't know, JEVT. And basically it looks like that. Comes with a pump. Now let's see the deal with this product. Very light. So this is their natural color. Oh man, it's like very lightweight. Interesting. Okay, let's pack some more on. So this looks to be like a very light coverage product. You can still see all my imperfections. Interesting. The things that I thought were going to be full coverage, no. Since it is a very light coverage, it's like kind of meshing in with my skin. Unfortunately, that's not what I'm looking for, girl. Or I'm like debating with myself. Okay, let's try it. So I'm just going to use this all over the face. We're going to see how it looks. And then once everything is on, usually everything kind of meshes together. So we'll see. I'm just going to use this by itself, and then let's figure out what's going to happen, because, or let's see if we could build it up maybe. This is so light on me though. So from my haul, you guys saw I purchased the She Loves Natural Haze Concealer Palette, and this is called their She Loves Natural Concealer Bright Shaping the Face Cosmetic Plate in number 3. Basically it looks like so it's just a bunch of like concealer shades. I'm honestly going to use this as a cream bronzer, and then I don't know, we'll see. Maybe we could use this to help out that concealer, girl, because it's very lightweight. So I'm just taking this huge pan here. Let's see what this can do for us. Oh, it's coming off so gray on the skin. I thought we were gonna have a good skin day, girl. Literally gray city. No, friend, no. Never mind. Going back with the oldie but goodie LAKERAIN bronzer. We need this to save us, girl. Okay, so I am gonna kind of go ham with this because this foundation is so light. It just needs some help, girl. So I'm just gonna throw it all over the perimeters of the face. I think that looks a little better. Next, we're going to take another new product. So this is from QIC. This is their liquid blush in the shade 05. Looks like that. Also a twist to open kind of product. 3 little dots. Here we go. Oh, wow. This is also not as pigmented as I thought. You know, like the other blushes that I've tried, it's like 3 little dots and it's like super pigmented. This one's actually blending out really nicely. It's a nice color as well. I'm gonna take some on the bridge of the nose as well. It's a really pretty color. Highlight, I'm gonna take the other LAKERAIN product, and this is just their highlight, like highlighting wand situation. Ooh, way too much. Let's go back to the Haze product, the natural Haze situation, and we're going to use this as a semi concealer. I'm going to mix this shade here with a little bit of this one, just kind of mix them together here, and we're just going to throw a little bit on the under eye to help that coverage. Next, taking the IT concealer over top. Now let's see how this blends. Oh yes, I think that little palette helped that concealer, girl. Looks so good. Okay, I completely forgot I had this product. So this is the Clever Cat Fit Me powder. This one here is an O.TWO.O, and it comes with a cream on the top and then a powder on the bottom. So I did go ahead and swatch these in my haul video, but they're just way too light for me. There's a look at the powder. So let's see how it looks on the under eyes. I'm gonna take my little heart poof. Let's see. I'm gonna start setting the under eyes. It kind of smells like baby powder, girl. Okay, girl, why is that looking good? It is a tad light, but for the under eyes, I think it should kind of mesh in better. And I'm just gonna do the T-zone area as well. Okay, girl, those are the under eyes. Okay, poof definitely helps kind of smooth everything out, but okay. I noticed when I used this one here, I had both of my powders here. I've used these two before, but I noticed when I used this in one of my last videos, it literally left like an orange spot on my face. And now I'm like kind of hesitant about this. So this is a Hanru, what is this called? 4-color lightweight makeup loose powder, again from Hanru, and number 2. Looks like that. So it is a little dark, but I don't know what the situation is. I think because it wasn't mixed. Let's see if it happens again today. I don't want to see what happens if I go in with this powder all over. Let's try the forehead a little bit. Alright, so this is what we have going on so far. We do have a new blush to play with, so hopefully I remember to use it, because we're going to do contour from this palette here. This is the Kiss Beauty face palette. This is also from Temu, and this is one that my boyfriend picked up for me. Super cute. I think I used it on Instagram. Not sure if I ever used it on here, but it's just a really cutesy kind of palette. So I'm going to take the more like contour shade. I'm going to throw it in the outside portions of the face. Taking in the NOZO pressed blush. This one here is an 04. Looks like that. It looks stunning, and it does come with a mirror. Super cute. It's a little powdery, a little bit of kick up in there. And I'm gonna use the Mare. Cute, okay. Next, I'm gonna take the highlighter in here and I'm gonna throw it on the cheekbones. This one here is a little glittery. Now, I'm taking my brow pencil again and I'm just going to fix them a little bit before we go in with the brow set that I purchased. Next, I'm going to take the Lang Mani Waterproof 24 Hours Brow Set. This one here is in the shade 01. And this I've never used either. I'm a little scared. Looks like so. Take that through the brows. I'm going to go ahead and take this product. This is just the e.l.f. Waterproof Eyeliner. And I'm going to go ahead and line the lower lash line with this. Eyeshadow of the day is the Hood Emoji Empowered Palette. I'm so excited about this. It looks stunning. Love the packaging. It is a plasticky kind of moment. It's like a better quality palette than the Lime Crime dupe, if you guys watched my other full face. Looks like that on the inside. So pretty. I'm just going to go ahead and create something kind of smoky, brown vibe. We have some cream colors here as well, which I'm not going to dip into. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade, which is called Keep Going. And I love the Mare in here. It's really nice and clear. I'm taking the shade Keep Going. I'm going to smoke that out. Well, I really want to take the shade Confident, which is this one here, and throw it on the outer corner here. Yeah, it's almost like sticking to one area, not really blending out. I'm going to take the same shade, the dark one, and just go ahead and smoke it out on the lower lash line. So far, I'm not sure what shimmer shade I want to go for. We have the shade Manifest It, Bold Moves, which is kind of calling out to me, and then Do It. I kind of want to go for Bold Moves. I'm going to go ahead and take my liner from the site, which is She Does Lasting Princess Liner in black. Looks like that. I'm going to go ahead and create a wing, throw on some lashes, which are also from the website. These are the ones in 103. Super affordable lashes, super cute. And we'll be back to finish up the lips. Oh no, I need to throw on mascara. Never mind. Okay, I'm going to throw on the wing with you guys here then. Completely forgot I had a new mascara. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take the new mascara that I purchased, the Pop Feel Level Up Lengthening Mascara. And let's see what this can do. So far, I wasn't like really impressed with like the wand or anything. It feels a little flimsy. Yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw some on the upper lashes and a little bit on the lower lashes. All right, now that we're here, let's just do lips, and then I'll just throw in the lashes at the end. So next, I'm going to take my Ebony York Gel Lip Liner in the shade Chocolate Brown, a favorite. I'm going to go ahead and line the lips with this. Taking my Beauty Glazed Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dark Brown. I was obsessed with this, and then I don't know what happened. I forgot about it. Here we go again. Love this. Taking a little bit of the Pinky Focus Clear Mare Lip Glaze. This one here is in the shade, what shade are you? O2. Literally feels like water. Like I'm tapping water on my lips. So again, I am going to throw the lashes on afterwards. But this is the last like new product for today. And this is the TLM Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it. Mister looks a little aggressive. Oh, all right guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts on this look down below. So I do have quite a few thoughts of my own of the new products that we tried out today. Let me get into those now. First product was the lip oil. So far so good with this product. I really much enjoyed it. It felt really nice and hydrating on the lips. It wasn't gooey and like doing that like stringy stuff. Yeah, so far so good with this. The next product was the liquid blush from QLC. amazing. I really like that it wasn't too pigmented. I like that this is actually a product that you can kind of build up, opposed to the other blushes that I've tried from the website. They're very pigmented, a little bit goes a long way, but with this product it was really nice, blended out nicely. Love the color. This is really good. NOZO blush, perfect color. Love the formula, blended out really nicely. Love the color. Everything just went on so nicely. So both of the blush products really blew me away today. I have to say the mascara is kind of like a meh, kind of like a flop. I don't really love the wand, and also when you're like taking out the wand, it's like very difficult. Like I don't know why it's so hard for it to come out. It's just kind of annoying. So yeah, that's another thing that I noticed with this product. It's just like takes way too long to open. The foundation that I purchased, honestly, at first I was like, oh, like I don't love it, it's a little too lightweight. I almost went ahead and added my favorite foundation from Temu, Over Top. But you know what, with everything over top now, with the powders and everything, it actually looks really nice. Let me know your thoughts down below. Even like the color is not like horribly, you know, different. It's like obviously a little lighter than my skin tone and my neck, but honestly I'm not hating it. I need to try it out a little more and see, but yeah, so far so good with this. So the concealer, I wanted to talk about these together because I did use these on the under eyes. So something is making my under eyes look very crepey and dry. It's either the powder or the concealer, but I know for sure the concealer, it needed a little bit of help, which is why I brought in the natural Haze, which I think it actually did make a nice combination. This by itself, to be honest, I wouldn't really recommend unless you're into that everyday kind of look. Then you might like something that's very lightweight on your under eyes. It's a little hydrating. It's not going to give you a whole lot of coverage, but I know a lot of people want that. So this one's kind of, I don't know, like I was hoping for more. I thought it was going to be more full coverage, but and then these, I don't know, these were kind of like a meh. Like if I was ranking them right now, I would put them like in the middle, maybe towards the end, because they're just like nothing exciting. I honestly don't recommend the concealer palette at this moment. I'm just like not really into it. And the actual like color that I wanted to use as a bronzer turned out to be super gray, so kind of disappointed by that. And then the Clever Cat Fame Me powder, to be honest, it was really nice when I went on the under eyes, but I do want to try it with other concealers and see if this is causing the crepiness or if it was just the concealer on the under eyes, or maybe because I mixed it, who knows. So something is going on because I'm looking very crepey. The brow gel was pretty cute. I have to try it out and like let you guys know further in my ranking video, but so far I don't know how I'm feeling about this product. It's just kind of a meh as well. A lot of meh products today. I think the thing that blew me away the most was the eyeshadow palette. I love the actual front cover of this product. The packaging is really nice, but the actual color story is pretty good. Now we did have a little bit of trouble blending out that dark shade, but in the end I think everything just went on so well. Let me know your thoughts down below, but I'm so glad that I picked this up because it's just so good. Setting spray, to be honest, I didn't have high hopes for it and it didn't really like wow me. It's just very aggressive, and I noticed that with the other setting spray that I purchased as well, the KVD dupe, also the same thing, very aggressive, has some fragrance to it. It's just kind of like a meh product for me. So again, a lot of like disappointing products in today's video. I think the thing that was the most excited about, obviously I'd say pick up the palette. It's really good, really pigmented. I love the color story. I feel like I'm losing my voice, so we're just gonna go ahead and end it here. Let me know your thoughts on these products. Have you purchased them? Let me know if you have any recommendations for new primers, any new like foundation type of products. If you guys found like a full coverage version, that would be great. Let me know everything in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.